YouTube. So the video you're about to watch, I did this job yesterday. But if you have any dreams or any aspirations, you should actually chase them. Come up with a plan. Like before I even got started, I planned 6 months before going full time doing carpet cleaning. I didn't freestyle anything. So have a plan. Do some researching on pricing, chemicals, what process you're gonna use. The process I use actually came from Tommy over at Green Rhino. Now he's located in California. I'm located in South Carolina. That's about 2 days away, if I imagine driving, right? So you have to come up with a plan. Like don't freestyle nothing. Like I always wanted to do some carpet cleaning. I made a YouTube playlist of carpet cleaning roughly 10 years ago. I couldn't find anyone to teach me about carpet cleaning, and I just found out we have a company here in Colombia that actually teaches you how to clean carpet. But Tommy teaches you how to clean carpet, but also how to run a carpet cleaning business. So you're gonna have some slow times, and it's part of the process. Also, as I was learning, what I would do, I would go to different websites of local carpet cleaning companies here in Colombia to see what are they doing different that I'm not offering. And what I noticed, a lot of these companies are not using the CRB, the counter rotation brush machine. So when you use that machine, man, actually, I don't really call it carpet cleaning. I call it carpet restoration. Like you're gonna bring back a lot of jobs. You're gonna bring back a lot of carpet back to life. So stay consistent. Y'all watch this video. Please like, subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below. Also, look at the link in my bio. It give you an insight on the course that I actually took. And if you want to change your life, make the small investment. Take a look at the video. Y'all take care.
I'm getting ready to use my Extreme backpack pump spray electrical. I think the electrical pump was water pump. But I changed the heads on it. Got an adjustable nozzle so I can get a better spray. Got tune in. Coming out real good. Alright, time for the CRB. We got these 4 rooms at this house and the staircase. Alright, perfect. So we just got done scrubbing. As you can see, the carpet didn't look that bad, but once we scrub your carpet, this is the results we get every time, just about. And everyone always asks, where's my gloves? So, in my next process, I will be steaming the carpet.